Yeah, this is John Silva from Locksmith Silva here. I'm going to open up a quick set deadbolt, 2 deadbolts here. And then as we can see that is locked. And I'm going to try it with my worm rake. One of them is installed upside down and one of them is installed right up. I recommend sometimes to install it the way this is because it's kind of hard for anyone to just come and pick it. I'm going to try with my worm rake, and let's see if I can't get it with my worm rake. I'm going to try with my Bogota, which normally is called rake. I'm going to put the tension wrench in the bottom, the top of the key tension wrench, bottom of the key tension wrench, and I'm going to use the worm rake. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh, got it open. That's one. Take it all the way. I got that one open. Now we're going to try it with the bottom. Okay, here we go. There's 5 pins. See 5 pins. I'm going to change it to the rake, to the Bogota. Got it open. Be safe and do not steal.